Hi, I'm Paul Perdue, and I am the infrastructure nerd, and today we are going to talk about one of the special services that we offer here at Attorney Computer Systems. Perhaps you're aware, perhaps you aren't, we do a lot of custom programming here. People will come to us and say, I need to pull the data out of Tabs or General Ledger and make it look this way and organize this way and show this. And we do that. But a certain set of reports that we've written for people keep coming up. And so today we're going to talk about positive pay. Positive pay is one that we've done for a handful of clients. And so what we ultimately did was we simply wrote a positive pay module, a positive pay report, if you will. And now we can sell that individual report to somebody without having to charge them a lot of custom programming fees. And still be able to accomplish what they want. Positive pay is simply the bank telling you that we would like you to identify to us by an upload of a file the checks that you have written, so that when we are presented with a check, we'll make sure it's one that you have said that you wrote. That is where the term positive pay comes from. You upload this list of checks that you have positively identified as being those that you've written, and the bank checks against that list for every check that comes in. And so people have come to us and said, well, I need to get that information out of accounts payable or out of trust accounting, because there are two separate modules involved here if you're using both, and I need to be able to import that or export that out of the system and upload it to the bank. So here's what our positive pay looks like. I'm going to go ahead and load the positive pay module into something called our ACS data viewer. And we've kind of dumbed this one down for demo purposes. It really just goes out and gets a list of all the checks that were written from the demo trust account, some to the firm, some to individual people. All of this is customizable. So if your bank tells you we need it in a certain order, or we don't need the payee, or we need you to be able to specify just the checks that you've written that day, all of that's customizable and can be written into the program. But the bottom line is you run it, you usually will probably specify a date range. We didn't here, but you can. And then you'll hit this export CSV button. CSV is a nerd term for comma separated values. But that's what the bank wants you to upload. So you export that file, you go over to the bank's interface, you upload that file to the bank, and you're done. So rather than having to go in and manually type these checks again in order to identify them to the bank, you're able to simply process them through accounts payable and trust accounting, use our report to gather that information, and upload it then to the bank really, really quickly. So that's just another way that we can help you with our special services here at Attorney Computer Systems. Let us know how we can help you.